We'll guide you through how to reset your iPhone with buttons. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you want to go and reset it with the buttons. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Perhaps you ran into a problem with it. For example, maybe this screen's frozen, it's unresponsive and not working, and so you want to try doing this to go and solve the problem, or maybe there's another reason for it. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide to know exactly what you need to do. Now, it is important to note that the reset we're doing is not going to remove any data. All your files, your photos, everything is still going to be on your device. Nothing is going to go and be lost. What we're doing is also known as a forced restart. It's a really great thing to go and do if you're running into any problems with your iPhone. So that's it. So we're going to guide you through this and you will know how to go and do it. So to do this, it's going to be using the buttons, and it's a button combination. So make sure you follow this carefully to know exactly what you need to go and do. So I'm going to walk you through it and then we'll do it live. So what we're going to need to do is press the volume increase, then decrease, and then you tap and hold the side button, also known as the power button. I'm going to do that now. So press volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold that side button. Now, depending upon if your phone is frozen or not, you may or not see this screen. In this case, I can see it, but you may not, it may say the same. Keep it held down, surely it's going to go and stay black. And once it's gone black, it should shortly come back on and you see the Apple icon. At that point, you can go and release the side button, and now it's going to go and start again. So just be patient. This process is usually quite quick. And when it comes back on, you have to go and use it again. And hopefully the problem you're trying to go and solve is then going to be solved. So as you can see, it shouldn't take too long, but it's important to note the older iPhones do take a bit longer to come back on. This is quite a new one, so it shouldn't take too long. And here we are. Then I can go and press that button again, swipe up. When you first go and restart it, or when you first start it, I should say, we need to go and enter in the passcode. Face ID doesn't work. Now, if I go and lock it again, Face ID will be working, don't worry, and that's it. So hopefully, for whatever reason, you wanted to go and reset it, you've managed to go and do it, and it's resolved the problem, or you've achieved what you wanted to. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.